Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to do this crochet scrunchie. So what I have with me is worsted weight yarn, a rubber band, and also a 4mm crochet hook. So first, what we'll do is we're going to make a slip knot, and we're going to insert the hook through the loop. So to get started, we're going to hold the rubber band together with the tail of the yarn like this, and we're going to use our ring and middle finger to hold the working yarn. So we're going to do single crochets through the rubber band, pull up a yarn over, and you're going to pull through the 2 loops. So that will be your first single crochet. Next, you're going to single crochet across the whole rubber band so that it's covered. So I like to hold both sides of the rubber band so that it's more secure. So go ahead and do your single crochets around the rubber band. For the previous one I did, it was about 26 single crochets, so it really depends on the width of your rubber band. So go ahead and do that, and I'll meet you at the end of the round. Alright, so once you've completed the round, you're going to slip stitch at the top of the very first single crochet that you did. So go through these 2 loops like so, pull up a yarn, and you're going to pull through this loop through this loop like this. So just pull it through, and that's your slip stitch. So after your slip stitch, you're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and then you're going to do 3 double crochets in each stitch across. So yarn over, go in the next stitch, pull up a yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, and pull through the next 2 loops. That is 1 double crochet, do your second double crochet, and do your third double crochet in the same stitch. So you're going to be doing 3 double crochets in each stitch across, and I'll meet you at the end of the round. Alright, so at the end of the round, you're going to slip stitch at the top of your very first double crochet, which is over this stitch. So this is not the double crochet, these are the 2 chains that you did earlier on. So this is the stitch that is just above the double crochet. So just go through that stitch, pull up a yarn, and you're going to pull that yarn through the loop. So now all that's left to do is to cut the string. So you can leave about 2 or 3 inches, and then you're going to pull through the string, and you're going to weave in this tail on the underside of the hair tie So you can use a yarn needle like this. So you can poke it through. Put the yarn through the eye. Hold the top of the yarn. Then you can adjust it later on. And then you are going to weave in the rest of the tail through any loops that you see that is good for hiding the tail. Through the eye. Hold this piece of yarn and you're just going to pull through the needle. So when you're happy with it, you can cut off that tail and you are done. So that's the end. I hope it was easy enough to follow, and thanks for watching.